Hello student, up to now we have covered DVD player some parts in last video, that are definition of DVD player, function of DVD player, front panel, back panel of DVD player, some important specification of DVD, and some important part of DVD player, that are disc drive mechanism, optical system, decoder system, and audio and video signal processing unit. So first part of DVD player is disc drive mechanism. Disc drive mechanism consists of a spindle motor that will drive the discs in circular motion with speed from 200 to 500 rpm. The loading tray or disc tray that is used to accept the DVD from the user by manually or using remote control facilities. On the front panel of DVD player, open and close disc tray button is used for manually pressing the disc tray. The entire disc drive is basically a spindle that holds the discs and motor that is used to circle the discs. Second part, name is optical system, also called as a heart of the DVD player, also called as a disc reader unit. As I can see, this is the image of optical system. The optical system consists of laser diode, which is made by aluminum gallium arsenide material. It is used to generate light beam for data reading purpose. Second part is lenses used for focusing and tracking the light beam. Third is photo detector arrays that is used to convert reflected light beam from DVD into the electrical signal. The optical system also required a motor to drive it. The laser system and photo detector element is placed together a single platform. Its function is reading the data from DVD and convert into a light to the electrical signals and further for digital code. DVD detection. When we insert the DVD onto the DVD tray, then optical pickup head moves across the DVD track. It generates the tracking error signals. If the tracking error voltage is low, that is 0.4 or less, then the inserted disc is DVD. For example, if the tracking error voltage is 2 volt, then the CD tracking error signal is detected. Means that for CD player, tracking error signal contains 2 volt. important question is asked on this topic, and the topic is block diagram of DVD player. So the block diagram of DVD player is divided into the following important parts. First is disk drive mechanism. Here the disk drive mechanism shown. Disk drive mechanism required a motor, that is spindle motor, that can rotate the disks with speed from 200 to 500 rpm. Second, optical system, that is called as a lens system, and it is consist of laser diode, photodiode arrays, and its function is to read the data from DVDs. We know that optical system is the heart of the DVD player. It contains laser diode and photo detectors unit, and it also required a motor. Decoder unit, moving picture expert group decoder, decodes the data from DVD and generates output in the form of audio and video signals. So the audio signal is playback by using speaker unit, and video signal is playback by using television receiver unit. So the video signal contains red, green, blue, that is luminous chrominance signals, and composite signal contains audio. Composite video signal contains only picture informations. So another important block diagram point, audio and video signal processing. Audio and signal processing contains, for example, audio signal processing contains audio amplifier, audio power amplifier, and left right speaker. So video amplifier is required for video signal processing purpose. Microcontroller with internal memories. So microcontroller may be the 32-bit size. It controls the operation of DVD player. Again, some extra facilities is available. For example, IEEE 1394. It is the network interface IC. User is used to connect other electronics device for data transfer purpose. Ethernet. It is a type of LAN technology. Computer is connected to the network device for the data sharing purpose. HDMI cable, HDMI port is required, or it is used to connect the DVD player output to the projector for the display purpose. And last will be the some power supply unit. So here I did not show the display unit, and the display unit is used LCD type, and that will display the playback information on the screen, like track numbers and the time. Such type of information is displayed on the screen. You can also connect the stereophonic sound system process, left for left speaker, right for right speaker, and some surround sound systems like Dolby and DTS. So here we complete the block diagram of DVD player. It is the important topics. So the student, in short, the block diagram consists of important blocks. One will be the disk drive mechanism, another will be the optical system, third will be the MPEG decoder, fourth will be the audio and video signal processing unit, fifth will be the microcontroller unit with memories, sixth will be the display unit, and seven will be the some important ports like S-video that will be used to display the only video signal informations. By using another extra device can be connected to these ports like a laptop output or maybe the cam recorder output. So that is it for today's video. Hope you understand something new. If you have any questions, please ask.